Good afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock, and today is 8th of June 2018. How are you guys? How are your trades? Like every time I begin my video, my one concern always remains that hope everybody is earning money. Like those who are listening to me, I just, I mean, of course, if you're not listening to me, then my wishes will not reach to you. But still, I want anybody and everybody who's in the market should be able to earn money on a regular basis, consistently, without losing. Of course, once or twice that could be possible. Like market is, you never know how it may take a turn. So, I believe that if you want to be in the market and if you have a good capital, always do positional course. Like I always, believe that this course of mine is just outstanding course for people who want to trade in positional, you know, those who want to trade with positional stocks. And this is my Nifty course, which basically is for intraday, right, and long term as well. There are simple strategies that I have given, and very soon, maybe by the mid next week, we will be launching this intraday course, which is again a very informative and very rich with content course. So hope all of you who are listening to me and who are in the market and who want to earn money consistently, please remember that you have to learn about the market. I won't say that you definitely have to do it from me, but wherever you want to learn, you can go there and learn, right? So today I have done a lot of trades, and in case you want to do it from me, you can go to contact us on my website. My website is stockpro.collaborations.com, and go to contact us. Like here there is Telegram, WhatsApp, phone, email, etc. I believe, so many times we are just so, in the mode of inertia. For us, it's okay, okay, this time I have lost, but next time I'll recover. That kind of a momentum always remain in us. So come out of that, and until you take an action about your learning, you will not be able to transform that, you know, that mindset of losing in the market, right? So today my trade was in Cipla, and I have taken Cipla's future and I have taken Cipla call. I'm just going to show you in a minute. So here are my trades. I have taken Cipla future, one lot of Cipla future at 547, and I have taken two lots of Cipla calls, and I have also taken Dish TV call, and I have also taken Nifty calls, which are right now in red, right? But I'm expecting Nifty to bounce from here. So within half an hour or 1 hour's time, I'm hoping it should be positive, right? So I want to tell you here, why did I took Cipla? So please, when you are trading in the market, the one and very important point is to be able to trade, to know exactly which sector is having, what kind of a outlook each sector is having, right? Now, Nifty opened in the morning. It opened with, a bit of gap down, and I have sold my calls yesterday. Yesterday for the first time I've sold calls. Usually I'm on the buy side, but gradually I'm shifting on the selling side. So yesterday I sold my Nifty calls at some 91 rupees, and today I bought it back at 70 point something. So that was, my trade of yesterday, which I squared off in the morning. And then I did Cipla, and then Cipla call, and then Dish TV call, and then um, I have taken the Nifty calls, right? Expecting it to be fine within a few minutes. Half an hour maximum, it should be fine. All right, and this is my positional course. The other, which I keep showing you every day. These are my trades of yesterday. DMart. I don't know if my webinar members are listening to me. We filtered it the day before together in my live webinar, and I said I'm going to enter into it, and I entered yesterday. I bought this, and it's in good profits. Mahindra Life should also be fine, and today I have entered into Graphite India and Flips Carbon. So Flips Carbon is right now a little negative, but I'm hoping it should be also fine. I'm sure this will bounce back. It's one of my favorite stock. So I trust my stocks. Like it's like your best friends. So I trust my stocks, and I'm hoping it to be very fine. So as I was talking to you about, that the sectors, like you should know in the morning which sector is working and which sector is not working. So many ways to figure out that, right? So one of the ways that you go to NSE, and you go to NSE's live market and go to the index, right? You will get all of the indexes and see here only Nifty Pharma is basically positive and PSU banks are positive. These are the two, and Nifty IT. So you must be knowing, today what is driving the market. It's just the pharma, the PSU bank, and the IT. These are the ones which are driving the market today massively, right? And I was saying that if you guys have um, Fire's account, if you have Fire's account, you get a tool out here which is about unusual volumes, right? So see here, where are the unusual volumes? It's in Sun Pharma, Tata Motors, Lupin, and Cipla. So when the unusual volumes are in majorly, you can see are in pharma sector. And usually I figure out from here, there's another place where you get to see the unusual volume. If I remember correctly, in Fires you have many places from where you can get various other things, so there is this, no, it is somewhere here only, unusual volumes. So support and resistance, this is high and low watch list, this is moving averages, this is heat map. You can check the heat map as well, right? Look at it, the entire markets, almost like entire markets heat map. The biggest and the darkest is Sun Pharma. Oh, before I forget, Star. Yesterday I was telling you guys to trade, look at Star, because I was trading in Star, and my stance yesterday on Star was negative, right? So see here, when I made the video, I was somewhere here. I mean, I always tell you the time. So I was somewhere here at 1 o'clock, right? 1:30 or 12:30. Somewhere I made my video here. And see from here how many points Star fell. From here 357, it reached to 335 within no time. No, not really that. It reached to 342 within no time. Good about 10 points fall, more than 10 points fall. It took about 14 points fall or 16 points fall from here, right? So this was I had the put, I have bought the put at about 16 rupees, and I exited the put at about 21 or 23 rupees, something like that, on, although it went till about 27 and 28. But I don't know, somehow I'm feeling nowadays that probably luck is not favoring me nowadays much with options, because when I take option, just it runs for 1 or 2 points, and the moment I exit, it goes for about many more points, so right now I'm still holding my Cipla options and Cipla call and Cipla futures, right? I'm just waiting, what I'm waiting for is it to break its morning range, right? Not morning range, but the high. This is a barrier. This is one of the GAN level that I have plotted here, right? So it need to cross this GAN level, because it taken a resistance twice from the same level, and if it crosses this with volume, I'm expecting it to head up, right? So uh, I'm hoping it to head up, and Nifty is just hovering at 10,700 levels in futures, right? I mean, if it crosses well, and I mean, if it takes a little bit of support, I mean, I feel a buying is coming. Look at it. Look at the supply. It's just been pulsating so hard, like, see, it's crossed its level with volumes. So whenever a stock crosses its resistances with volumes, means the stock has got the strength, and the stock is planning to go up. Now I have put the orders for selling as well. So I put the order for selling at 13 rupees, the call, and this is at 544. I'm sure it's soon approaching. So let's see if I find that it has more capacity to go up. Maybe what I may do, I will change this 554 into a little bit higher, because I do feel that it will probably go a bit more. So let me just modify this. Options, I'm fine. Options, I believe it should go till 13. But about this, about futures, I believe that it should go up till this point, right? So I'm hoping. So guys, I really feel that if you want to understand analysis and how do you trade, how do you enter, how do you exit, and how do you select stock, You know, some of the stocks I select a day before, some of the stocks I enter at that very moment. See, did you see? I changed my order a little bit. I plan to change it a little bit more, you know, because I want to maximize my profit, and I'm going to make it zero point 0.5, right? I'm going to make it a little more. So hopefully it should cross, because it's now have got the momentum. I'm slowly, gradually going to increase it, right? Now see, it's heading up, and I do plan to. I think that should be enough. Triple 5.5 should be my exit point, right? I should be happy if that value is achieved. What do you say? Or gone. My position has been squared off. See here. Now left is options. Even option is gone. Option is also gone. So my profit has been booked, right? So the profit in Cipla, you saw how I maximized it, how I kept on increasing it, and pretty decent profit, you know. So when you see the momentum coming in, don't lose out on your profit, you know, like you have to be proactive. You have to keep on shifting your positions, you know. I mean, I feel this is pretty decent profit for today. I'm happy, right? So anyway, so I'm saying that this platform of fires will give you entire sectors, how are they moving, you know, which stock is. And see from here, if you see Sun Pharma, Star, and you can see TCS, Reliance, forget Reliance, it's not IT neither. TCS, Infi, Tech Mahindra, and then you see PNB, then you see the other banks, you know, like I could see Bank of Baroda, I could see Dr. Reddy, I could see Cent TV, all of them in Mindtree, and all the PSU banks are pretty green today, right? All of them are pretty green today. So what I'm saying, that if you know the sector, you always will have a winning edge. You will know which sector is moving, where are the volumes coming, and your trades will be in the right direction. Your trades will be, see, now Cipla has taken a, like it went up and then came down, right? So good, now I booked my profit along with you guys. So I believe, as I was saying, I feel, I think it gave me pretty good profits. So now I'm have only two positions open. One is in Nifty call and the other is in Dish TV. So I'm expecting Dish TV to give me a breakout. It's been struggling. It's been just struggling. See here, it's been just struggling. You know, if it doesn't, then I'm another few minutes. I'll wait and then I will exit. But I believe if Nifty will move, this will also give me an I mean good opportunity to, you know, have profits. So this is how Nifty is kind of taking the support. It's in a good support zone right now, right? So let's see how it goes. According to me, Nifty is positive. That's why I've taken its call, and I'm waiting for it to give me a breakout. In case I feel another sector coming up or something happening, probably I will create one more position. Otherwise, I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. You know, if you go to the FNO analysis and you see here action in the, and you can see from where you know long build up is taking place. So if I'll figure out that something is just coming up really well, I may, you know, take an entry again. But for the moment, you know, I'm pretty much done and satisfied with my today's trade, right? I'm done and up. See Biocon, see you know, Star Sasson, look at Cipla, look at Oro Pharma, look at Ajanta Pharma. Ajanta Pharma is one stock which has been falling down for donkey's ages. You know, it's been just going down and down and down. Look at it, right? And today, because the sector moved, this also moved massively. This also moved massively, right? So anyway, good this thing. Hopefully, you know, things should be fine. You know, only thing is Flips Carbon is going down, but I'm not much bothered about it. I have bought it as a positional trade, and I have a certain rule according to which I have bought, and I believe it should give me soon good profits. I am not worried about it, right? So it's okay, because my aim for on in this portfolio is to have about 2 to 3,000 rupees or 4,000 rupees every day. If I get that, I'll be pretty satisfied. So roughly today there is, I think it's break even. There are losses here and there are profits here. So put together there are basically it's zero today. There are not much of profit, not much of losses, but let's see how it goes by the end of the day. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share, guys. Please always find out the sector which is moving, and then out of that sector which stock is moving. Once you know that, you will know that unusual volumes are going to come in that particular stock, and you will be able to reap the benefit of your research. And I've told you, fires give you very well defined way to figure out stocks which are on the which are having a breakout and which are having the huge volumes, unusual volumes. And even you get it on the NSE website. So I wherever you feel comfortable, go over there and take your trades. So with this, I'm signing off, but I'm really hoping that you all of you learn it. I have recorded all the sessions, and I've been getting to hear from my members that they have been finding the videos just exceptionally very good. So I don't want to praise by myself. I'm sure I'm going to be sharing with you their appreciation emails and the messages soon, right? So with this, I'm signing off, but hoping that all of you earn money, hoping that each one of you earn money. Just my sole wish when I make videos, when I record videos for my courses, is just that those who listen to me always have, I mean, I mean, sum and total of them should be always positive. Some losses, some profit, but end of the day, I believe it should be profits each of you should have, right? So still, this is my nifty call which I have taken is still giving me a bit of pain. So I'm hoping it to be fine soon, right? So take care, guys. Do good trade, do responsible trades, right? That's something I expect from you guys. And with this, I'm signing off, and let's meet on Sunday in question answer session. And please be ready with your questions, just not about the stocks, but something else that you want to know. I'll be really happy to answer your questions. Bye bye, take care, have a good weekend, enjoy with your family. Bye.